Hello, friends. Hope you're doing great. Let's continue with some conversational dialogues on different topics. The first one is about negotiating with clients. Hi, Emma. Today we are going to negotiate some business strategies with a client. Hi, John. What's the main issue? They want a lower price on our services that we provide them. Okay, we should start by considering their budget range. Right, we need to ask what they can easily afford, and then we can mutually find a way adjusting the scope. Exactly. Maybe we can offer a smaller package after negotiation. Certainly, it's all about finding a middle way out. I'm also thinking about suggesting a longer contract. That sounds a great strategy. It could be more beneficial for both the parties. Agreed, but we need to stay adamant on our quality standards. Absolutely. Quality should not be compromised at any cost. I'll emphasize the value and quality we bring to their business. That's important. It certainly depicts our brand, customer value, and product's strength. In case we can't agree, we can always suggest revisiting the discussion in a few months' time. That's a reasonable alternative. Thanks, Emma. No problem, John. Negotiations always pave a way about balance. The next conversation is about ATM retain the card. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm having a problem with the ATM machine. It just captured my card and won't return it back. I'm so sorry to hear that. Could you please tell me when did this happen? I can help you contact our support team. Just a few moments back, the screen went blank the moment I inserted my card into the slot. I understand. Don't you worry, please. Sometimes it happens when there is a power fluctuation. Let me contact our technical team experts. Will I be able to get my card today? Reason being, I got to catch a flight early tomorrow. Yes, our technicians can retrieve it within 30 minutes. In the meantime, would you like to make a withdrawal using your ID and account number for your convenience? That would really be helpful. I need to withdraw $500. I can help you with that. Kindly fill out this temporary cash withdrawal slip and I'll process it for you. Thank you so very much for your quick action and timely help. Do you want me to wait here for the technician? Yes, please. Make yourself comfortable in our waiting area. I'll let you know as soon as they arrive. Thanks once again. You're welcome. The next one is about meeting a childhood friend. Rita Boris, is that really you? Oh my goodness, Mark, I just can't believe it. How many years has it been since we last met? Must have been 16 years since middle school. You haven't changed a bit. That's so kind of you. Could you tell me what brings you here to this part of town? I actually work nearby at the super mall in my capacity as manager. How about you? I just opened a grocery store 3 blocks from here. You should visit sometime. A grocery store? That's perfect. I still remember you always won first prize in selling during those school days. You remember that? Yes, I finally managed to turn my hobby into a career. Would you like to catch up over a cup of coffee? I would love to. It would be great to hear what everyone else from class is doing too. Perfect. Let's exchange numbers and I'll text you the address of my favorite coffee shop.